Let's face it, the rules of getting into real estate and being a successful agent have changed. The rules have changed in the areas of the economy, state rules, real estate rules, and business rules. We are in a completely different economy than we were just 6 months ago, and this economy is having impacts on the real estate industry. Home sales, while down from the peak a couple years ago, are still remaining strong and projected to be in the range of 4.2 million in 2025. This equates to a total market value of $2.33 trillion of real estate that will be transacted in 2025. You see, this is a great time to be able to get into real estate because the industry is shifting, and that's creating a tremendous amount of opportunities. In times of change, new agents such as yourself who start with the right training and mindset gain traction faster than those that are currently experienced in the marketplace but are slow to change to the new rules and the new economy. More people are making career moves, and this is your opportunity to get into a career with flexible hours, unlimited income opportunities, and the ability to be your own boss. But the key is training, tools, and coaching. This has never been more important with the new rules of the real estate economy. State rules have changed. Post-COVID with classrooms, more and more states are allowing online courses. You can get started on your real estate class today. I have a link in the description that will talk about which states allow online courses. Now remember, the purpose of the real estate course is to satisfy the hour requirements set forth by the state and pass the exams. The real estate course strictly gets you a ticket to the dance, but doesn't teach you how to be successful. It's not going to teach you how to sell real estate. It's going to rubber stamp you and pass you along. Now, don't overthink the real estate process. Get your license. It's going to teach you the laws, but not how to sell. Your success starts after you pass. Speed in the course matters, and getting through it as quick as you possibly can. The real skills come from coaching, not the classroom. The real estate rules have changed, and experienced agents are having difficulty adopting to the new rules. They lack the training and education and the willingness to adapt. And you know what they say, adapt or die. This is why it's a great opportunity for new agents. The industry, as it has been developed over the years, has not been structured to assist agents with adapting to the changing market. The rules have changed. See, most real estate companies, there's no real training or mentorship. Agents are left to figure it out alone with YouTube videos or PDFs. And there's a lack of community and culture with no collaboration, no support. You're just isolated into a virtual inbox or chat stream. And they sell you on the splits, not the success. You see, low fees sound great until you realize that zero help to grow your business is not going to allow you to cash more checks. The business rules now encourage you to be an entrepreneur. Real estate is no longer a hobby. And now is the opportunity for you to get into business and play by and set some of the new rules in real estate. These business rules allow you to learn to build a business, not just close deals. The right company teaches you how to think like a business owner from day one so that you can create income, consistent income, and not just chase commissions. You also will have a culture of collaboration, a team of agents that want to help you succeed, not just compete against you. And there will be proven systems, coaching, and models. You see, success leaves clues, and you can follow a step-by-step playbook instead of just winging it. Now, in this marketplace, who you're in business with matters more and more. And the reason I'm with Keller Williams is it's the #1 real estate franchise in the United States. Also #1 in the total number of transaction sides. Consistent commissions. Training is the key. From new agent training with Ignite to hands-on experience, a support structure, role play, and real play. And coaching is vital. Focused on your skills, your growth, your mindset, your marketing, relationships versus transactions with a degree of accountability. Now, in the video description, I've given you the opportunity to request a step-by-step guide of how to take advantage of these new rules. You can also subscribe to this channel for future videos that show you how to be successful in real estate.